In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp email campaign benchmarking. We'll walk through building and sending a campaign in a way that sets you up for meaningful benchmarks, so your results are easy to compare over time and against similar senders. First, head to your Mailchimp home and start a new campaign by choosing to create an email. This opens the campaign builder. Give your campaign a clear, consistent name so it's easy to find in reports later. A naming convention like date, audience, and theme helps you line up past and future sends when you review benchmarks. Next, set your recipients. Open the To section and choose who you're sending to. Use the Send to option to pick the audience or a segment that aligns with your goal. Then use the Do Not Send to field to exclude groups that shouldn't receive this message, like recent purchasers or internal test contacts. These inclusions and exclusions help keep your benchmarks clean and comparable from campaign to campaign. Save your selections, move to the From settings, add a recognizable From name, and a verified sending address your subscribers expect. Consistency here directly improves deliverability and engagement, which strengthens your benchmark trends. Save when you're done. Open the subject section and write a concise, benefit-led subject line. Keep it clear, avoid spammy phrasing, and front-load the value. If you see a preview text option here, keep it complimentary and under roughly 80 characters. Save to lock it in. Now, set up your content. Choose Design Email and pick a template that matches your usual layout, then apply it. Using a consistent structure, logo at the top, headline, concise body, clear call to action, makes your results more comparable across sends. In the editor, customize with content blocks, swap in your branding, images with alt text, short paragraphs, and a single primary button. Keep mobile readability in mind by using larger text, generous spacing, and simple layouts. When your content looks good, save and exit back to the campaign builder. From here, you're ready to send. Give everything a final glance, recipients from details, subject, and content, then choose Send and confirm Send now. Once the campaign goes out, Mailchimp will begin compiling performance data. As results come in, benchmarking will compare your open, click, and unsubscribe rates to your past sends and to peer averages, helping you understand what's typical and what's exceptional. By staying consistent with naming, audiences, and layout, you'll make each new campaign an apples-to-apples comparison, turning your benchmarks into reliable guidance for your next send.